this tutorial, what we will try and understand is how we can do the basic tasks of an inventory management software through Excel and VBA. Now, most of the SME businesses do not need all the features that is given by Tally, but the basic features like payment, receipt, purchase, sales, billing, item management, party management, etc. are required. So through this tutorial, we will see how a basic management of your organization can be done using this software tool.
Hi, and so let's get started with the actual tutorial. Okay, so what we have here is, let's say we have this main transaction dashboard where we can create items, okay, we can create party ledgers, and we can have transactions. Okay, so let's first create, if you want we can create one item. I'll tell you how. So for creating an item, just come here, okay, and then you give the name of the item, say shoes, okay, tax rate is say 5%, and brand is say brand C, go down is say go down 3, okay, red color or anything. If you want you can just type in or leave it blank. Purchase price was say 250. This is just for your information. Sale price could be 350. Okay, that's it. When you do that and then click on save item, okay, let's just go and check if you want. Yes, a shoes item has been created. Okay, come back. Now let's say you want to create a party. So now let's try to make an entry of a party, say Delhi buyer. Okay, state would be Delhi, of course. GST number say 07. Okay, type is say buyer. Due day is credit is, if you want you can give. Okay, say credit amount is 1 lakh. Then you click on save ledger. Okay, and once it is done, then it shows that yes, it has been done. Okay, so if you just try to re-enter, it will show duplicate found. Okay, so just be careful with that. Now let us delete this as it is over. If you want to check, you can just come and check here. Delhi buyer has been added. Okay, now come back. So this is what we created item. We created the party name. Now let us purchase some items. So I will come here and simply select purchase. Okay, let's say I am purchasing from Odisha party. Okay, and so the item is, so I can just simply type shoe. Okay, and I can select what the exact name is. So you can just select like this also. Okay, so let me select shirt. But suppose there are a lot of items, then it will also be easy to select like this. Just type SHIR. Okay, press enter, come back, and you can select shirt by pressing down arrow and alt key. Down arrow and alt key. Okay, it comes here. You are buying 10 pieces. Cost is say 350. Okay, and so 10 pieces 350, 3500. 12% is the tax, as you had mentioned earlier. Automatically this is load to invoice. Okay, you also want to buy say something else. Say you are buying shoes also, and say 5 pieces shoes of 500 rupees. Okay, so 55 to 2500, 5% tax, which is 125, so 2625. Load to invoice, just click here and it is loaded. Okay, because you are purchasing, it is showing as negative. Otherwise it does not have any issue, because anyway you will not have to pass an invoice to them. So once this is done, okay, just finalize the bill like this, and automatically you will know what is the subtotal. Because it is from Odisha, the software is very intelligent. It automatically selects IGST. If there is a same state party, okay, then it will automatically select CGST and SGST. So don't have to worry about that. Okay, it has also given a tax breakup and automatically calculated the right amount of tax. So once this is done, okay, 6545 is the outstanding amount. So currently there is no outstanding from Odisha party. Okay, so 6545 is to be paid to them because I am purchasing. So now I have already finalized the bill. I will click on save bill. When I click on save bill, see what happens. Just come to transactions. Okay, Odisha party shirts and shoes have been purchased. Detailed breakup tax wise. What is the IGST amount for this bill number? Otherwise, it gets clumsy and it is difficult for you to calculate. Okay, for this bill number, this is the total IGST. In case you want to break up, you want to see the breakup of items, then the breakup is given here also. Okay. Now come back to transactions. Now let's say you want to make a part payment to Odisha party. So automatically Odisha party is showing here. Okay, it is clearly saying that negative means to pay. So minus 6545 is the outstanding. Let us say we are paying 2500 to the Odisha party now, and later we will pay the amount. So net outstanding after the payment will be 4045. Okay, so just click on save transaction, and you have paid from SBI bank. If you want, you can also change this. So now the current outstanding is 4045. If you want, let's come to transactions and see that. So payment to Odisha party has been made of 2500 from SBI bank, and money from SBI bank has been deducted as 2500. Okay. Now beautifully these transactions have taken place. Okay. Let's say you want to make a sale. Come here, select sales. Okay, and let us sell to Delhi party. Delhi party. Okay, and the good part is if you want, you can type directly here also. There is no mandatory thing that you have to do this load thing every time. No, not required. However, it is a good practice, but if you want, you can straight away come and type here. Okay, so suppose this is being loaded, and see here, because it is sales, no minus sign has been loaded. So let me write say shoes. Okay, say 3 quantity, price would be 800. Okay, amount would be 2400. Here the only thing is you will have to do the manual calculation. Okay, or you can simply do like this, but suppose this is say 5%. Okay, and 5% of 2400 is 120. So this will be 2520, or you can simply do like this. If you know Excel, okay, there you go. So in case you don't want to do this, then you can load from here. Okay, if you want to copy paste or there are a lot of other things, then simply you can come and paste. That is also not an issue. So once this is done, okay, you want to finalize the bill. See here again very intelligently, because he knows he is a Delhi buyer, it has taken IGST correctly, okay, with the correct taxation also. So just let me see, 2500 12% is, so here the tax amount is 300, here the tax amount is 120. So 300 plus 120 is 420. Okay, so beautifully 4900 plus 420 5320. Okay, now let us save this bill also. So if you want, you can just come to transactions and see Delhi buyer. The bill has been saved beautifully with bill number, IGST and everything. Now let us do one thing. Let us say that the Delhi buyer is also making a payment to us. Okay, so we will select receipt. Okay, automatically it is very intelligent. It knows it is Delhi buyer. Okay, in case you want to change the party, you can still change the party from here. Just come click here and change the party. Okay. Now, when you select receipt, see the color has also changed. So in payment, see the color is blue. When you select receipt, the color changes. So it is easy not to miss and not to make an entry by mistake. Okay, so let us pay. So let us say they have paid in cash, and they have the net outstanding is 2800. They have paid around 2000 in cash. Okay, so just come here and click on save money transaction. Come to transactions and see Delhi buyer. Okay, receipt 2000 they have paid, and you have cash extra 2000 now. And at any point of time, from party DB, you can also know what is your cash, what is your bank, etc. Okay, these are the details. So for example, Odisha party, the amount pending is 4045. Okay, we have to pay them, and say Delhi buyer 800 we have to receive because it is positive. If it is positive, we have to receive. If it is negative, we have to pay. Okay, only this thing we need to remember, which is written in the software also. So once this is done, this is a list where you have to mention which state you are in. If you want, say, let's say we want to write brand B, and what are the different go downs, and anything else. If you want, you can write any attribute, etc., etc. Okay. Then you have the party bank DB, which we just saw. The details of the parties will be added here. In case you want to see the details, you can see, but otherwise you don't have anything to do. Okay. Just come here. These will be the details of all the transactions. I have tested it till 10,000 transactions and it works just fine. Actually, it is a little fast than Tally. If you cross 5,000 transactions in Tally, Tally becomes very slow. But it is not a problem with Excel, at least till 10,000 vouchers, transactions. Okay. And then this is Excel. You can put any report. So this will also tell you what is your input CGST, output CGST, what is your net CGST, IGST amount that you have. What is the, you can just select any party and you will know that now you have to pay them 4045 rupees. So let me just select Delhi buyer. Automatically it says you have to pay 800 rupees, etc. So everything is there. Okay. What is there in basic Tally, and it is very easy to use. That's it. And if you want, you can also take a printout. Okay, you can simply select and take a printout. That will also be there in the software. The moment you, and automatically an invoice can be given to the party. Okay, I hope you liked it, and I'm sure you would have liked it. So let me know how it was. Thank you.